Can you remove your mobile number from Snapchat? Now let's get started. First of all, launch your Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in and you get to this interface, now tap on your profile icon from the top left corner. That will take you to your profile page. Now again, navigate to the top right corner and then tap on settings icon. Here under your account, there you will have your account information. So from there, go and tap on mobile number. Here, if you have already added the mobile number in your Snapchat account, unfortunately, Snapchat won't allow you to remove your mobile number completely because Snapchat uses your mobile number for your verification and your recovery process. But if you haven't added your phone number to your Snapchat account, then it is not necessary to add. But once you have added your mobile number, and you won't be able to remove it after that. But instead, to remove it, you can change your number. So simply remove this number and then type in your next number. Or if you like to remove your mobile number from Snapchat, then the next alternative way is to delete your Snapchat account and create a new account. And after that, you don't have to enter or provide your mobile number to Snapchat. So this is the way you can change or you can remove your mobile number from Snapchat. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.